you need to know to be up to date on the Gator build. So we started off with I believe it's the Prego Gator, whatever. Started off with that. Colby got that probably 3 years ago, and then the quad. The quad is a 2011 Polaris Outlaw 50cc. Been pretty reliable. Whenever we bought it, it wouldn't run. You couldn't get it started, and it turns out that the valves needed adjusted. So I took care of that and got it all running good. And then got a wild hair one day and decided that I would like to build the Gator into the quad. And Bodie's gonna love it once it's done. But yeah, that's the backstory, and we'll jump you right on into the video of making it. Alright, so the first day of progress on this, I started by, mocking up the body, getting the body to fit. And my first idea was to make these little arms, and where I could actually bolt, I'll get a better picture, bolt the body to the front bumper, which turned out pretty good. Welds, come on, focus. Welds, they're mediocre, I guess you could say. So let's get you right on in removing the body. So it's pretty simple. Finagle it off. I gotta do some more trimming right in here. Cut some of that out still. So it's as that. And also, in order to, I don't mind that, it's right there on the floor. But you got that, which is the respectory holes already on the Gator. So, that's just perfect. Got a lot more welding to do, as you can see. But so far, happy with everything, how everything's turning out. Believe I'm going to add maybe some braces from here to here, really stiffen everything up, and take it all apart as one piece then. Shouldn't be too bad. So yeah, that's that. So alright, now we'll go ahead and jump on into day 2 of the build. So day 2 consisted of putting together the steering shaft, making it work any way that I possibly could. So far, this is what I came up with. I got a steering shaft out of a 2000 Jeep Cherokee XJ. Worked like a glove. I had to cut so much out of it. Let's see here. That is all cut out of it. So I had to incorporate a good, let's see here, 4 or 5 inches of moving it. But so far, I think it's gonna work out just perfect. Now, there is some stuff I still have to do on here. Let's see here, get you out of the mount. Yeah, if you see in there, it's really just a smooth shaft with a little bead put on it that I clamped it on tight enough to make it work. Let's see here, get you a better view. Yeah. So that is that. Nothing is tight right now. That's why there's a bunch of slop, as you see right there. See right there, I don't even have the bolt on. Yeah, so that is that. Now we'll go ahead and jump on into day 3. So day 3, I had to figure out how to mount the steering shaft solid, which still not solid because it's not completed, not welded all the way through, and got a big old gap I got to fill in. Shouldn't be too hard though. So yeah, my idea at first was I was going to weld a flat piece right here and somehow incorporate this carrier bearing, but the flat piece wasn't working. I couldn't get the desired angle that I was shooting for. So my next option was what we have right here. So I decided, since I'm using square tubing for the rest of it, that I'll just go ahead and make this piece, which I'm still going to do some more brackets, maybe something from here to here to really strengthen it up, because as you see, it's kind of loose. Steering shaft works just like it was supposed to. So yeah, that's what day 3 consists of. Coming up with this and making this work, in which you can't really turn it with your hands, but as you see, everything functions pretty darn good. Yeah, so that was a wrap for day 3. just to end some things off here, I'd like to start with why I'm using square tubing. So I don't have a tubing bender or notch or anything like that yet. That'll be later videos to come, but that's the main reason I'm using square tubing right now, because I do not have a tubing bender. So what you could expect to see in the next video to come. So next video to come, I'll be fully mounting where your feeding is going to go. I'm going to be you know, working on trying to figure out how to mount the pedals, because that's, you know, pretty dang important. So that'll be coming next. Let's see here. The seats, they still need to be mounted. I started here, realized that doesn't leave enough foot room, so I'm gonna have to move everything back here, which I'm not sure how that's gonna make the bed fit and everything, but we will figure it out. If I have to build a whole section, I will. Let's see here, what are we missing? Some things, you know, to maybe to tease you on. Believe I'm gonna put a winch up front. I got the winch and everything ready. But for the bed, I believe I'm actually going to put a ram system, some kind of system to actually have a lift bed. So yeah, thank you for watching my video, and you know, stick around and see what's next to come.